Difference of two squares. This is square of A, then the square of B, and this is minus. That is why it is called difference of two squares. Now, how to factor difference of two squares? First, we get the square root of the first term. What is the square root of the first term? The first term is a square. What is the square root of it? We are referring to the positive square root. So that is a. For the second term, we have b square. The square root of b square is b. That is why we have a and a. Then we have b and b. And since it is subtraction, we indicate positive and negative, or plus or minus. Let us check if we will multiply the two binomial, if it will go back to the difference of two squares. So by the face method, we have a times a, that is a square. Positive b times a, we have positive ab. Positive a times negative b is negative ab. And we have negative b square is equal to a square. ab minus ab, that is 0, or we simply cancel. We have minus b square. So see, we got a square minus b square. So the factors of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Let us apply let us apply it with solving quadratic equation by factoring, involving difference of two squares. For example, we have y square minus 36. No. Let's change it. For example, we have y square minus 36 equals 0. I just remove the parentheses. Y square minus 36 equals 0. So, is this a involving difference of two squares? If we have noticed, we have y squared. This 36 could be expressed as 6 squared equals 0. So, we can relate it to this pattern. So, if that is the case, we have y and y. Y times y is y squared. Then we have 6 and 6. Then we have positive and negative. If we will check it, we have y plus 6 times y minus 6. By the face method, we have y times y, that is y squared. We have 6 times y, positive 6y. Y times negative 6 is negative 6y. 6 times negative 6 is negative 36 equals y squared. 6y minus 6y, that is 0 minus 36. So, meaning we got the correct factors. We equate each factor to 0. Y plus 6 equals 0. Y minus 6 equals 0. Solving for y equals negative 6 by addition property of equality. So, then, we also have y minus 6 equals 0. Y equals positive. Y minus 6 equals 0. Y equals positive 6. So, this is y sub 1, negative 6. Y sub 2, positive 6. Okay, how about we have 49 minus 9y squared equals 0. Again, this pattern is applicable, yung difference of two squares, a square minus b square. Why? Because 49 is a perfect square. 9 is also a perfect, 9 is also a perfect square. We have y square equals 0, or that is 7 square minus 3y raised to the power of 2 equals 0. So, factoring it, we have 7, and 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. Then we have 3y here and another 3y. Check it. 3y times 3y is 9y square. Then we indicate plus or minus. Let us check it. 7 plus 3y, 7 minus 3y. 7 times 7 is 49. 3y times 7 is 21y. 7 times negative 3y is negative 21y. And then 3y times negative 3y is positive, negative 9y square. So equals 49. We cancel this one. So we have negative 9y square. So we got the correct factors. Then we equate each factor to 0. We have positive 3y equals negative 7. Dividing both sides by 3, we have y equals negative 7 over 3. For this one, we have negative 3y equals negative 7. Dividing both sides by negative 3, we have y is equal to positive 7 over 3. Okay, were you able to follow? Again, we repeat, 7 plus 3y equals 0. 3y equals negative 7. This one became negative 7 on the right side. We divide both sides by 3. So this will become y. Negative 7 divided by 3. Then we have 7 minus 3y equals 0. Negative 3y equals negative 7. Dividing both sides by negative 3. Negative 7 divided by negative 3 is positive 7 over 3. So this is our y sub 1 and this is our y sub 2.